Hey, my name is William Ripley from San Diego, California. I'm hanging out at my home office right now, and I wanted to make this quick video because I bought SamCart last week. I took action and invested in it, but I didn't do it until the night before the webinar because it looked so cool. I wanted to try it out for a new product we were promoting. I've had Infusionsoft for a long time. I've never been able to figure out how to create an order form. I've had one shopping cart, way too difficult. And the reason that I wanted to use SamCart is because it seemed easy to be able to create a multiple payment process. I wanted to start a continuity program. I wanted to be able to charge $200 but do it like one payment this month, one payment next month. So I'm like, you know what? It's 11 o'clock at night. The webinar is tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Why don't I just buy it now and see if I can figure out how to use it if this thing's really easy? So this is the page that I created in a matter of minutes. Which looks really cool in my opinion. And I see here that we were able to do 2 payments of $97 because I figured that was going to give us the best response. But what I want to show you is what actually happened. What actually happened when the webinar was over, I logged into SamCart and I was thinking to myself, there must be some type of mistake because I see in here that there are over 150 orders at $97, which comes to about $15,000 collected. But then because we were able to do the 1 times 2 payment, that's actually like 30 grand. So one webinar, 30 grand collected, or actually 15 grand collected, 30,000. See right here, you could see 146 orders is what we were able to do. So I'm excited to see what is going to happen next month when we're able to collect the second group of payments. So I wanted to say thank you, Brian. Thank you for everyone over at SamCart. You enabled me to sell 147 units at $100 times 2. So I would strongly encourage anybody that is considering SamCart to step up to the plate, take action, because the results that I got from it are out of this world. I never expected to sell so much, and as you can see, the form looks beautiful. It was easy to create, and now I've got an extra 15 grand in the bank, and I'm actually going to Las Vegas this weekend to spend some of it, so thanks a lot. I appreciate it.